Hello, computer application students. I know I'm making this for my 105 class, but this applies to all of us. Hey, we're on our final stretch here. I'm going to go to my Dropbox and see that we only have 3 more weeks here. Really, we've got our Lesson 12 Prezi, our Lesson 13 ePortfolio, and then we have our final exams. So you guys, with that, please remember that when you're working through Lesson 12 Prezi, as I mentioned in the orientation video for that lesson, that this will be a part of your ePortfolio. So don't delete this when you are done, because you will be using this in your ePortfolio. As well as when you are done with your ePortfolio, don't delete it or anything, because you will be using this on your final exam. So these are two very, they're bigger projects. So here it is, Monday, the 2nd of April. I really suggest you starting your Prezi today, and then I also suggest that you started your ePortfolio weeks ago, because this is a very large project, so I hope that you have been doing that, and that I will be grading those very thoroughly as college level assignments these last couple ones. So please make sure that you are putting a lot of time into those. So with that, you guys, I hope you have a great day, great last couple weeks, and let's finish strong. Have a good one.